Hello everyone. So in this video, I will demonstrate the laboratory for database administration and security using MySQL with PHP MyAdmin. So the goal of this laboratory is to show how a database administrator or DBA manages user access, database security, data integrity, and backup and recovery. So the database used in this lab is called the company DP. In this first task, the objective is to control who can access the database and what actions they are allowed to perform. So as a DPA, one of the most important responsibilities is access control and authorization. So using PageMeMyAdmin, I've created first two database users. The first user is an admin user with full privileges. And the second user is a staff user with limited privileges. So for the admin user, I grant full privileges on the company DB database, including select, insert, update, and delete. So this user has complete control over the database. For the staff user, I assign limited privileges. The staff user is allowed to select data, insert new records, and update existing records. However, the staff user is not allowed to delete data, which helps prevent accidental or unauthorized data removal. So to verify the privileges, um, I log in using each user account. The admin user can perform all actions successfully. When logged in as a staff user, delete operations are denied, which confirms that privilege restrictions are working correctly. Um, so for in task 2, the focus is on database security and data integrity. So the goal is to protect data from loss, corruption, and unauthorized access. So to ensure data integrity, I apply several constraints, which are the primary key, the foreign key, not null, and unique constraints. So in addition to constraints, I identify and apply basic database security practices. So first is the principle of least privilege, which means users are only given the permissions they actually need. Second is using strong passwords, which helps prevent unauthorized access. Third is SQL injection awareness, which involves validating inputs and avoiding unsafe SQL queries. So together, these measures help protect the database from attacks, data corruptions, and misuse. So this laboratory demonstrates the core responsibilities of a database administrator, including user and privilege management, database security and integrity, and backup and recovery management.